Welcome back. Here with us on Times Now. A massive political fight has now erupted over scrapping of the question hour in Parliament for the upcoming session. The opposition has termed the proposal arbitrary and undemocratic. It has also alleged that the intention of BJP to avoid questions clearly indicates that BJP does not believe in democratic procedure.
हमारे देश के लोकतंत्र के इतिहास में एक काला धब्बा माना जाएगा। प्रश्न आज इतने समस्या है, हम अगर उसे उठाएं तो उसका उत्तर देना चाहिए, वो देने से क्यों कतरा रहे हैं।
ये जो है वो एकदम एक बहुत ही असामान्य परिस्थितियां हैं और ऐसी असामान्य परिस्थितियों में जो भी लोगों की सेहत के लिए, लोगों की सलामती के लिए, लोगों की सुरक्षा के लिए जो भी उपाय किए जा सकते हैं वो उपाय करने ही चाहिए, क्योंकि जान भी चाहिए जहान के साथ।
The government of the day is accountable to the people in the form of in the parliament. That is, the MPs will question the government and make them accountable for all their actions, misdeeds. Now that will not be there. Then I have requested the Speaker to please have one day out of the number of days where Parliament is going to work, allocate 1 day of 4 hours just to have the question hour. And fourthly, what is wrong in not accepting unstart questions? The government, the Prime Minister is bulldozing their agenda. That is not good for our Parliament. That is a violation.
सदन की समय की कटौती की मद्देनजर मुझे यह सूचना मिली कि 0 आवर आधा घंटा कम से कम चलाया जाएगा, लेकिन सुनने का अभी तक चलाने की निर्णय सरकार ने नहीं लिए है। मेरा सरकार से यह भी गुजारिश होगी कि प्रश्नकाल को इसी समय के अंदर किसी हालत में समूह आयोजित किया जाए। इसलिए कि सदन की हर मेंबर को इसमें काफी दिलचस्पी रहते हैं।
And taking a dig at the opposition, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi told Times Now that the government is ready to discuss all issues. Listen in.
He is the minister in the hot seat today, and all the questions that are being asked of the government, let me put them across to him. Mr. Joshi, I want to start by asking you, in the absence of question hour, that's what everyone's saying, MPs are supposed to ask questions on behalf of the people. If there's no question hour, how will the opposition be able to ask those questions?
Unstart question, there is no question of question hour. Unstart question, only there will be written reply. Only for start question, there will be discussion in the House for 1 hour. That is in Lok Sabha every day from 11 to 12, and it is usually, I am telling. But as far as present situation is concerned, there will not be any start question. So there is no question of having question and having reply in the House. But there will be unstart question where there will be written reply will be sent.
Okay, just for the benefit of our viewers, I want to tell them that the start questions are the ones that get answered inside Parliament. So that is not going to happen. However, whatever the unstart questions are going to be given in writing, the answer is going to be written back by the government. That's parliamentary process. But the major allegation against you, Mr. Joshi, is that nobody in the opposition was told. This was unilaterally done. And today morning, Derek O'Brien and everyone said that we've just rudely been told no question hour. How can you do that?
I have told you already, entire opposition I have spoken. I have already made it clear that only Derek O'Brien had objected. Remaining all people, they had agreed to the proposal of the government, and even some leaders, I would not like to quote anybody, some senior leaders, they suggested that whatever the constitutional binding is there, mandate is there, you complete that, and as early as possible, you try to end off the session. This suggestion also comes from the opposition itself. I am making this point very clear, and I would also like to ask the Congress party, which is trying to make the issue out of it, whether their leaders have agreed or not, let them reply. And